What did she do when Mommy is waiting for us at the restaurant? It won't be long. Ow! Daddy! Rosie broke my car. I'll take when you're looking another of me arrived. We'll be there soon. I'm hot. Rosie hot. Can you roll the window down? Window down. Rosie, stop repeating everything. Caillou was angry with Rosie, and she was hungry and hot too. Both of you, please stop. Look, we're moving again. Oh no, what now? Daddy, I'm scared. Everything's going to be fine. I'll go take a look. Just great. Caillou felt bad that Rosie is scared and wanted to make her feel better. Ugh. It's okay, Rosie. Daddy? Yes, Caillou. When are we going to see Mommy? First, we have to wait until the tow truck arrives. It shouldn't be much longer.